Hello everyone, Eugenia here. I came today with a different video. As you could have seen in the title, I'm going to talk about how my 2020 was. We were asked by ICT subjects teachers, Miss Edith and Miss Valeria, hello, to create a video explaining how the process of using ICT for academic purposes was for me. So here we go. To begin with, I'm going to give you a little bit of background information about my life. My name is Eugenia Liliana Diaz Fuentes and I'm 22 years old. I'm cursing second year of Profesorado en Inglés at Universidad Nacional de Catamarca. I live with a big family, my dad, my 4 sisters and my 5-year-old niece. I have 4 dogs and a cat. So my house is very loud sometimes. And thankfully I am lucky to have a computer, a mobile phone and a stable Wi-Fi connection in my house. I know that there is a lot of people who lost the year because they didn't have the resources, so I'm very thankful. Now I'm going to tell you about how my year was. I started my year very happy because in February I had passed the Phonetics and Phonology 1 final exam. I was really excited about starting to have university classes again, to meet my new teachers of second year, and to meet my classmates again. But then, the coronavirus came.
Coronavirus! Wash your hands!
A virus that originated in Wuhan, China, and that subsequently spread worldwide. It is believed to be a spillover of an animal coronavirus, and later adapted the ability of human-to-human transmission, because the virus is highly contagious. It rapidly spreads and continuously evolves in the human population. The virus arrived to Argentina and eventually to Catamarca, where I live. The government took the decision of temporarily closing educational institutions in order to contain the spread of the COVID-19 pandemic. At the beginning, I thought that it would pass, but it didn't. So the teachers started to review different ways of teaching online so we won't lose our second year of university. The only app I knew about was Google Classroom since I used it in Phonetics and Phonology 1 the year before. But the teachers only made announcements there, so I didn't know how to complete and hand in homeworks and things like that. Obviously, we use all the very well-known apps to keep in contact with teachers like WhatsApp, Facebook, and Gmail. Personally, it didn't take me long to adapt to the new learning methodologies, even though I didn't use apps like Zoom or Meet before. I've always got along with technology, and in time, I have learned to use apps like Zoom, Meet, Classroom. In May of this year, 2020, I took an online course dictated by INFOD, Instituto Nacional de Formación Docente, where I learned the use of different apps, technological tools, and resources, and how to apply them in the school environment. It was a course aimed at teachers only, so I asked if, as a student of second year of Profesorado en Inglés, I could take the course, and they didn't have any problem with that, so I took the course. I've learned so much in this course: how to use apps and web pages like Canva, Edpuzzle, Mentimeter, Zipmap Cloud, Biologs, MindMeister, PictoChart, Powtoon, Tiki-Toki, etc. They taught us how to apply and use them with students. In this course, we were asked to make a class script and enrich it with tools and resources that we eventually learned at the course. I didn't have any idea of how to make a class script, so they sent us a model to follow. Also, I was helped by a friend who is an ICT teacher at a secondary school. Finally, I was able to complete the course and I've been sent the certificate. These were really useful tools and resources, not only for teachers but for students. In September, I started ICT, a subject of the second term. I've learned a lot in this subject. We were taught how to use and apply tools and resources in the field of education. The teacher have made us fill a Google document that was full of other apps already classified, and that Google document is just pure gold for teachers and students that are studying to be teachers. As you have seen in my channel, there are a few videos I create. 4 of them are booktubes that were requested for English language subjects teachers. I create them with the screen recorder app. I record them and then join them with the app on my phone. There is also a video that I created with 2 of my classmates for English language 2. This one I had created with Powtoon, and then my classmate added our voices to it. Another I created with Powtoon was the one called Verb to Be, and it was requested by Info. And the last video I have uploaded was the one named Tell Cersei, that was requested by Phonetics and Phonology 2's teacher. It is a monologue, and I edited it with Adobe Premiere Pro. I also created an infographic of the verb to be for Info. In October, I passed my first virtual final exam. I was really happy I had passed and that nothing happened during the exam. I had to lock my family in the bedroom so they don't disturb me. And now, in the blink of an eye, I'm in November, just about finishing my second year of university. So this is how my year was. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.